Today, I am reviewing the Dyson Supersonic Origin Hairdryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dyson Supersonic Origin Hairdryer is truly a game changer when it comes to hair care technology. From the moment you hold it, you can feel the premium quality and thoughtful design that Dyson is known for. This hairdryer is engineered to protect your hair from extreme heat damage, which is a crucial factor for anyone who styles their hair regularly. Thanks to its intelligent heat control, it measures the air temperature over 40 times per second and adjusts the heat output to prevent overheating, thus protecting your hair's natural shine and health. One of the standout features of the Dyson Supersonic is its fast drying capability. The powerful yet small digital motor, combined with Dyson's Air Multiplier technology, produces a high-pressure, high-velocity jet of controlled air. This means your hair dries much faster than with traditional dryers, which not only saves you time, but also reduces the amount of heat exposure, further preserving your hair quality. This precise airflow also allows for more controlled styling, giving you a smooth finish with significantly less frizz and flyaways. The Supersonic comes with a magnetic styling concentrator attachment that is easy to snap on and off, allowing you to quickly switch between drying and styling modes. This attachment uses heat shield technology, which means it stays cool to the touch even during close-up styling, making it safe and comfortable to use around your hairline and scalp. This is particularly helpful for people who want precise styling without the worry of burning or discomfort. Dyson has also paid close attention to the sound of the hairdryer. The motor is acoustically tuned to emit a frequency that is almost inaudible, resulting in a quieter drying experience compared to many conventional dryers on the market. This makes the Supersonic ideal for use in the morning or late at night without disturbing others around you. The dryer includes 3 precise airflow settings, ranging from high for fast drying and styling to low for gentle drying. There are also 4 heat settings that cater to various hair types and styling needs, from high heat for quick drying to a constant cool setting to lock in your style. The instant cold shot button at 82 degrees Fahrenheit is perfect for setting your hair after styling, giving you a long-lasting hold and a polished look. Another important feature is the incorporation of negative ion technology. Negative ions help reduce static electricity in the hair, which means fewer flyaways and a smoother finish. This is especially beneficial for those with fine or frizzy hair, as it helps maintain a sleek, shiny appearance. Overall, the Dyson Supersonic Origin Hairdryer combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design to deliver a superior hair drying and styling experience. It protects your hair from heat damage, dries quickly, reduces frizz, and allows for precise styling with its smart heat control and attachments. Whether you have thick, thin, curly, or straight hair, this dryer is engineered to improve your hair's health and appearance. For anyone serious about hair care, the Dyson Supersonic Origin is a worthwhile investment that elevates your daily routine with professional-level results right at home.